Yeah, something from the queen. And something fell from the queen herself earlier. Yes. What's that something? Just take a look at the video.
Ano ba? Shh.
Shh. She's gone. It's a beautiful day. The sun is shining. I feel good, and no one's gonna stop me now. It's a beautiful day. I feel good, and I feel right, and no one's gonna stop me now. Now I'm having such a good time.
Stop me now.
Don't you wanna have a good time? Just give me a call.
Don't stop me now. Don't stop me now.
I'm rushing on my way to Mars. On collision course from a satellite. I'm out of control. All my situation got it too below. Like a diamond bomb. Got to
To explode.
I'm burning through the sky. 200 degrees, that's why they call me Mr. Fahrenheit. I'm traveling at the speed of light. I wanna make a supersonic woman of you. Just take, go love. I just can't handle it. Just take, go love. I must get around to get to it. I ain't ready. Please a little thing go love. Just take, go love. It cries like a baby on its wings. It shakes all over like a jellyfish. I gotta lock it. Please a little thing go love. There goes my baby. She knows all rock and roll. She drives me crazy. She gives me heart and cold fever, and she leaves me in a cocoa sweat. I see a little silhouette over me.
Scaramouche, we do the fandango. Thunderbolts and lightning, very, very frightening.
Galileo, 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 Figaro.
Magnifico.
She's a poor boy, nobody loves me.
He's just a poor boy from a poor family. Swearing his life from this small society.
Easy come, easy go, will you let me go?
Bismillah, no, we will not let you go. Let me go. Bismillah, we will not let you go. Let me go. Bismillah, we will not let you go. Let me go. We'll not let you go. Let me go. We'll not let you go. Let me go.
No, 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 no. Mamma mia, mamma mia.
Mamma mia, let me go. Beelzebub has a devil to decide for me. For me. For me.
So you think you can solve me? It's in my eye. to break free.
God knows I want to break free.
It's strange, but it's true. I can't get over the way you love me like I do, but I have to be sure when I walk out the door. Oh, I want to break free. Oh, I want to break free. Oh, I want to break free. I work hard every day of my life. I work till I ache my bones. I need every day I take home my heart away on my own. I go down my knees and I start to pray with the tears running down from my eyes. Lord, somebody,
Somebody,
somebody, can anybody find me somebody to love? Singing.
we will rock you. We will rock you.
Bobby, you're a young man, hot man, shouting in the street. Gonna want some love, got blood on your face. You think disgrace, bringing your banner all over the place. Singing.
We will rock you.
Sing it out.
We will rock you.
Hey!
We will rock you.
I'm gonna rock you, baby.
We will rock you.
I've paid my dues, time after time. I've done my senses, committed no crime.
Let me say, I've made a few. I had my share of sand kicked in my face, but I've come through. On and on and on and on.
We are the champions, my friends.
When we keep on fighting through the end. medley.
Yes. Ayan.
Ayan.
Parang nawawala.
Hindi, may mga bagay talagang natitinag. Gaya ko, natinag ko yung ano ko, yung role ko.
Yeah.
Ayan, and...
Dahil dyan, magmi-meeting tayo mamaya.
Yes, magmi-meeting tayo mamaya kung sino yung mga ma-evict. Kasi hindi na alam yung parte. Charot. And please do subscribe to our YouTube channel.
Yes.
And feeling ko, nanood ako, nag-binge watch ako nung kagabi ng YouTube channel natin. Oh my God. We already have 6.66K subscribers, you know. Thank you so much. Hindi nyo ako sinuportahan. Okay lang yan. And, thank you po sa mga nagko-comment. Baka sabihin nila hindi natin pinapansin. Pero, napaka-active ng ating
Active ingredients.
social media manager. O, di ba? May hindi lang siya DJ. Social media manager rin siya, si Tito Ray. Si Tito Ray.
Actually, nakita ko nakikipag-away sa comments. Charot. Charot lang.
Ayan. Thank you so much po. Nababasa po namin lahat yung mga compliments nyo. Ayan.
Okay. At sa mga nabigay po ng mga compliments, thank you so much. Ayan.
Thank you po. Ayan. And please, wag nyo na lang pong i-skip yung mga ads namin para, di ba?
Para naman
Para
meron
bongga
tayo.
na. Di ba? Ayan, and thank you sa lahat ng nagbigay ng stars and sa lahat ng nag-compliment nga and sa aming mga sponsors, especially to our founder na sila Sir Patrick Pasco and Sir Ed Gagio.
Yes. Okay, may mga request. Okay, and this song I'd like to give you an Ilocano song. Ayan, special request. And this song is dedicated
To Mark Gaya.
to Mark Gaya. Okay. Miss Paula.
Pinamnam naman na kaniya kadidi sa bali at siyang makita at sigalain nakarit ng hindi nabutong na napuno nga
Okay, may request si Sir Julen Valiente. Ayan, yung Glory of Love. Ayan. Okay ba yung Glory of Love? Chicago. Ayan. Sige. M&M's. Oh, eto na yung request ni Sir Julen Valiente. I-medley na lang po namin. Ayan, ga.
Sir Durnell, this song is for you.
Everybody needs a little time away. I heard her say from each other. Even lovers needs a holiday. Far away from each other. Hold me now. It's hard for me to say I'm sorry. I just want you to know that after all that we've been through, I will make it up to you. I promise you. And after all that's been said and done, you're just a part of me I can't let go.
After all that we've been through, I will make it up to you. I promise you.
Ayan, hello sa mga bisita natin dyan sa labas. Fagaragan family. Ayan. Our friends from Bado. Salamat sa pagbisita. And to Sir Julen Valiente.
You're gonna be the lucky one. You know our love was meant to be the kind of love that lasts forever. And I want you here with me from tonight until the end of time. You should know, everywhere I go, always on my mind. You're in my heart, in my soul. Baby, you're the meaning in my life. You're the inspiration. You bring feeling to my life. You're the inspiration. Wanna have you hear me? I wanna have you hear me say it. No one needs you more than I need you. Tonight it's very clear, 'cause we're keep on flying in. There's so many things I wanna say. I will always love you, I will never leave you alone. I am the man who will fight for your honor. I'll be the hero you've been dreaming of. We'll live forever, knowing together that we did it all for the glory of love. It's like a knight in shining armor from a long time ago. Just in time, I'm safe to take it to my place so far away. I am the man who will fight for your honor. I'll be the hero you've been dreaming of. We'll live forever, knowing together that we did it all for the glory of love.
Songs from Chicago.
Sir Junel Valiente. Ayan.
That medley was for you, sir.
Okay, may mga request pa tayo? Okay, and this I would like to give you on
Requested song. And please subscribe to our YouTube channel.
atin kan di ko nangem saan Kana irwa makayaan na isang sangayan Ayat akinali kaguma Na ipaay mo pudno pakarang saka Uray awan ka malaglagip ka Dagiti ladaw ang inang makikita Dagiti naruay nga inang awta Tumrem luluwa tunggal mapanunod ka Ag nanayon nga ay ayaten ka Ipat patengken pudno adungdungwen ka Uray pahino imadayo ka Timalaw ka at tinagpagada Magudas pantay tuibyak ko Agmay-may sa katuy puso Uray awan kang malaglagip ka Dagiti ladaw ang inak makikita Dagiti naruay nga inangawta Tumrem lulwa tunggal mapanunod ka Ag nanayon nga ay ayaten ka
parbangon ng egmot samit samiwe ni ayan may sa papel na sirayan tasibay mo ako na ay ayaten ka di may sa anak eken ka ketuso nga ang babken ka ngem di mo pulos pagarupin at tagain bet na ka tuy katamang sakit day tapuso puso nga ang grubabket ka ngem di mo pulos pagarupin tagtagain bet na ka tuy katamang sagit day tapuso siyang tagrayukin ka naminawan kapat biyak ko paminawan kapat padam nga nagkanggat awan makabulot tadakato'y puso sikalaing biyak ko sikalaing biyak ko.
Okay, and this time I'd like to give you another requested song. Ayan, para kay Sir Marlon Sidon.
A song from Katrina Velarde.
Okay.
Minsan natikman ang init ng iyong halik. Akala ko narating ko na ang ulap sa langit. Sa aking pagpikit, ang tanging nais kapag ikaw ay umakap. Ngayon'y nag-iisa, laging nilalamig, nawala na ang lahat-lahat. Ito'y naging panaginip, ngunit biglang nagbago ka. Hindi na madama kapag kapiling na kita. Nalalamig ka na, bakit ganyan ang iyong pag-ibig? Nang akala ko ay langit, nilaro-laro mo lamang ang puso na inilip. Sa yakap mo ay nakayuma, pag-iwasay di ko na kaya. Hanggang ngayon hinahanap, hanap pa rin ang laso mong mali. Bakit ganyan ang iyong pag-ibig? Nang akala ko ay langit, nilaro-laro mo lamang ang puso na inilip. Sa yakap mo ay nakayuma, pag-iwasay di ko na kaya. Hanggang ngayon hinahanap, hanap pa rin ang laso mong mali. Laso mong
Okay. At dahil sa kantang yan, nagbigay si Sir Marlon ng $20. Oh. Okay. Ano pa yung mga request natin dyan? Oh, ay, oo nga pala, yung request ni Sir Norbert Mateo, yung ano, yung...
Buti na lang pinaano mo, kuya. Yung
If
request
I
ni Sir
sing you a love
Norbert.
song. Ay, saka, ay, yung upuan pala.
Ay, boy.
Okay, kasi tinext din niya sa akin yung... Okay.
Ayan. O baka mawalan na naman ng kuryente, wag naman sana.
Uh-huh.
Kayo po na nakaupo, subukan niyo namang tumayo. At baka matanaw ninyo ang tunay na kalagayan ko. Naupo na dyan po ba kayo sa loob ng malaking bahay at malawak na bakuran? Mataas na pader, pinapaligiran at nakabilang mga mamahaling sasakyan. Mga bantay na laging gulong ng gulong, wala namang kasal pero marami ang nakabarong. Lumakas man ang ulan ay walang utas sa bubong, mga platot sara na hindi kilala ang tot. Ang kanila'y sumputin ang gatas na nasa kahon at kahit na hindi pas na sa lamin sa Koreang Korean.
Yes, Korean.
At nag-request po si Presi Dagyo. Sabi niya, may I request the song Pusong Bato. And I dedicate this song to all viewers in your program. Thank you very much, DJ and R&B. God bless us all.
Yan.
Pusong Bato. Ayan.
Yes.
Heart.
Yeah.
Stone Heart?
Stone heart.
Yeah.
Pero nauna yung heart. So, heartstone.
Yes.
Sige.
Yes.
Okay, para kay...
Presi Dagyo!
Yes, sir. Ma'am, Presi Dagyo.
This song is for you.
Pusong.
Pusong Bato.
Pusong Bato. Ano ba? O kaya Pusong Mamon. Ano ba pinagagawa nyo dyan sa likod?
Batong-bato sila.
Oh,
O board. Wala, iba yung naisip. Nung ika'y ibigin ko, mundo ko'y biglang nagbago. Akala ko ika'y langit, yun pala'y sakit ng ulo. Sabi mo noon sa'kin, kailan may di magbabago. Naniwala naman sa'yo, ba't ngayon iniwan mo? Di mo alam dahil sa'yo ako'y di makakain, di rin makatulog buhat ng iyong lokohin. Kung ako'y muling iibig, sana di maging katulad mo na may pusong bato. Kahit saan ka man ngayon, dinggin mo itong awitin. Baka sakaling ika'y magising, ang matigas o mong damdamin. Di mo alam dahil sa'yo ako'y di makakain, di rin makatulog buhat ng iyong lokohin. Kung ako'y muling iibig, sana di maging katulad mo na may pusong bato. Interlude, are you having fun? Di mo alam dahil sa'yo ako'y di makakain, di rin makatulog buhat ng iyong lokohin. Kung ako'y muling iibig, sana di maging katulad mo na may pusong bato. Di mo alam dahil sa'yo ako'y di makakain, di rin makatulog buhat ng iyong
Hustisya ang Pusong Bato na maraming...
Oo, ang daming club ni Ma'am
Yes.
Presi Dagyo. Ayan.
Ayan, and
Pero sabi naman ni Sir King ako niya, ano bang pusong mayroon ka daw?
Pusong nakadepende so kung sino makikisama.
Tsaka
yung pusong hindi napapakinabangan. Kaya,
O bang tuwang-tuwa ka naman pare Abet dyan? Ikaw, anong pusong meron ka?
ulol.
Pusong balot.
Alam ko yung puso ni Mang Abet.
Ano?
Nakalata. Alam mo kung bakit nakalata? Kasi made in Spain. Spanish, sardines.
Yes, and I'd like to give a song dedicated to Mama Maribel.
Yes, okay.
Hello, Mama Belle. Happy watching.
And also to Tito Kyle.
Yes, Tito Kyle. Kyle Pasqua, yes. Hello po, happy watching.
Hi, Papa Silver.
Hi, Papa Silver.
Ba't ang dumi nung screen? Ayun, wala na.
Ayan. And this song is a song coming from the divas of this generation.
Ayan, para
Morissette
sa iyo to, Ma'am.
Amon.
Ate Belle.
Yes, and I'll be
Maribel.
watching to my friend, the Mark Louis Cabral. Hello.
Yes.
Sa bawat pintig ng puso ay dama ko na bahagian ng buhay ko.
Kahit na itago pa, kahit na ilihim pa, kita ko sa iyong mata, tayong dalawa'y isa. Pusong siyang nagsasabi na ika'y kahati ng ating kaluluwa. Kahit pa hindi sabihin, ay daman ng puso na ikaw ay ako. Wagas na pag-ibig ay di magbabago. Sa pag-isa, madarama kong naroon ka, sa isip ko'y kasama ka. Di madaya ang puso, sulukso ng aking dugo. Tunay na pagmamahal ay hindi maglalahat. Puso siyang nagsasabi, puso na ika'y kahati ng aking kaluluwa. Yes, and that song is dedicated to Mama Maribel Pascua. Yes. And someone like to give you a song from Earth, Wind, and Fire.
Yes! And see you again on Saturday and Sunday! I am believers! Thank you so much!
Do you remember 21st night, September? Love is changing our minds, September. We're chasing the clouds away. Our hearts are with you, and the key that shows we shake.